I'm going to introduce my concept for a new board game called Adulting. So a little background about Adulting is that it was built for middle school students to give them an introduction to personal finance. So there's some things that I would like to be in the later models, such as credit, interest rates, and things like that. But for the first rollout, the first pilot of it, I was unable to do so in a way that was consistent with the way it would happen in real life, and I didn't want to exaggerate the truth just to have it in the board game. So in this game, students are going to define success by setting life goals for themselves. Along the way, as they travel along the board, they will have 4 categories where they'll have to make financial choices. Social and recreational goals, financial goals, family goals, and also career. So they'll have to make choices with their money to help them accomplish the goals that they set at the beginning of the game. So it's kind of an ongoing concept without a true winner, because success for each person looks very different based off of their personal definition of it. So the goal is, how are you going to be successful in your own right and manage your budget in a way that allows you to have financial freedom. So distribution of this game is going to be out in my middle school classes. It's going to be out in 6th and 7th grade world studies, because our standards explicitly talk about personal finance, and of course the 8th grade is more than welcome to it as well. It's going to be done in a simulation and helping them learn the ins and outs. So like I said, it's not going to be very elaborate. This is the first time they've dealt with money, and they're just going to be basically adding, subtracting, and seeing that sometimes life doesn't go the way you have it on pen and paper. There's going to be a flat tire. There's going to be something that breaks in your house. There's going to be something that will come up, and you need to save for a rainy day so you don't have to sweat it when those things happen. So my idea came from this game because I was trying to think of something that each student would use. What's going to be relevant for everybody in my class, regardless of the life choices that they take. Well, all students are going to be in charge of finances. Some of them might already have birthday money and things coming in that they're making choices with. So I really want to address how you have a limited amount of money and you have to make choices. So really the scarcity of money is where this concept came from. And this kind of gives them an opportunity to learn from their successes and failures and see what really works. It's a safe environment. It's an ongoing game. Each time they round the corner of the game board, they get their monthly payday. So it's really just a concept that allows them to play around with money in a safe environment. They get feedback from their peers along the way, because, you know, all middle school students have an opinion. So they really are just playing with this in a carefree environment and seeing, oh, this is what happens when I choose to go out to eat all the time. It drains my eating budget and all that kind of thing. So that's where the goal comes from. I hope you like the concept, and I look forward to sharing more about it.